Hi friends, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Imagine this. You're assembling an engine, everything looks perfect, bolts tightened, shiny new parts ready to go. But when you fire it up, there's an awful knocking sound. What went wrong? It's a classic case of incorrect clearance between the parts. Without the proper gap, you get friction, heat, and premature failure. All that effort, gone. This kind of problem can sneak up on even skilled technicians because you can't eyeball a gap measured in thousandths of an inch. That's exactly why a feeler gauge is a must-have tool in any serious workshop. So what is a feeler gauge? In simple terms, it's a set of thin, precisely calibrated metal blades, each marked with its thickness. You select the blade that matches the clearance you need, slip it into the gap, and check whether it fits with a slight resistance. That's your confirmation the spacing is correct. No guesswork, no surprises. Feeler gauges work because they provide a fast, repeatable, and highly accurate way to measure tiny clearances, whether you're setting valve tappets in an engine, adjusting spark plug gaps, or checking bearing clearances in a gearbox. Instead of relying on feel or rough measurements, you get a tool you can trust to deliver consistent results. Some key advantages: feeler gauges are simple to use, cost-effective, portable, and available in both metric and imperial sizes. Many modern sets even use rust-resistant stainless steel and feature etched markings for long-term durability. In short, they save you time, reduce costly mistakes, and help ensure parts live up to their design performance. So if you're serious about precision, the humble feeler gauge is the best friend you didn't know you needed. A simple tool that makes the difference between a machine that fails and one that runs like a dream. Hello friends. If this video helped you understand things better, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really supports us in growing this learning community and sharing more valuable industrial and manufacturing insights. And if you like this clear, no stress explanation, don't miss our earlier video on the dial test indicator, DTI, where we covered its functions, applications, and tips for achieving precise measurements, all in the same practical and relatable style. You might pick up a few new ideas to make your inspection work even more accurate.